Thank you very much. This wonderful occasion is being organized by that's Ham Community Development Association, and in collaboration with When in Need Foundation. That's one thing about When in Need Foundation. When you need them, they are always there. Please put your hands together for When We Need Foundation. Kutamama When We Need Foundation.
When you need.
When you need them, they are always here. Most especially here in Hamland. So I would like to say a big thanks once again on behalf of the people of Hamland for organizing this program. First and foremost, I would like to recognize I would like to recognize the presence of the initiator of this wonderful program, When in Need Foundation, in person of King Mother High Chief Dr. Chetachi Nwoga Ecton. She is truly daughter of Hamland. Please put your hands together for her. Also we have with us our mother in Hamland. She is Mamamu Akasar Hamland. Ita mama ne tana cin da mu. Shi yasa kowane lokaci za ta yi kokari ana kawo irin ayyukan nan a gida domin mutanen da su samu lafiya. At this point, I said good thanks to our mother. Mommy, we appreciate you and your effort in making sure that how people are being taken care of. No other person than Mrs. Fatima and the Gate Model. Please thank you for our money. Mommy, you're welcome. Also with us, this beautiful lovely Saturday morning, we have, I hope I got it right, I hope he's the person, because I believe His Highness Chinaju Uchenna, the carrier of Teku, from Kingdom in Imo State. Your Royal Highness, we appreciate that person. I hope you're the one. Thank you very much for identifying with the Ham people. You're highly welcome. And also, we have a true son of Hamland. And you can be rest assured in Hamland, go to villages all over the Hamland, from Java local government to Kachia local government to Kagarko local government. He is ensuring that there is light in Hamland. Power, there is power. And that's why they give him a title. His Majesty give him a title as Haskenham. I'm talking about no other person than Honorable Gideon Job Haskenham. He is one gentleman that also is working tirelessly to ensure that there is light, there is power all over Hamland. Okay, something well, the dignitaries with us identifying with us. They are identifying with us at our level this morning. I would like to appreciate Comrade Noah Emmanuel, National President and the National Member Association for Security Support Services. Please put them together. Honorable Afara Faragao Nampi will tie your annual. Come on. And also, I can praise this part of the Hamlet.